You ready for your breakfast, huh? You cats already had breakfast. Sit. Allie, sit. Good boy, Zeke. Allie. Miss B. Good girl. Wait. Okay. Good dog. Eat your breakfast. Do you want a treat? Kitties, you want a treat? I'll give you girls a treat. You girls and you boy humble. Say, I'm not a girl. I'm a boy. There you go, Kiki. Be nice. There you go, Roxanne. Good morning, guys. It's like 5:30 in the morning. I'm going to work an hour early today because I actually have to start picking Tariana up from track earlier in the day. So I have to go to work earlier. So there's no sunrise to show you because it's still black outside. Alright, I'm headed to work now. Bye guys, see you when I get home. Be good dogs.
Yesterday I saw my favorite ghost, and everybody knows that we're on our way.
Hey guys, what's up? So the time lapse that you just saw, I actually shot and on my lunch break at work, but I've been at work all day for the last 10 hours. It's 4:30 right now. I'm going to pick up Tariana from track practice. If the rain holds off, I may take the dogs on a bike ride, or at the very least go in the backyard and scoop their poop and throw their ball for them so they can get some form of exercise. It's been raining and raining and raining lately, and I feel like a horrible dog owner because I haven't taken them out and gotten them a lot of exercise. They've just been throwing the toy within the house, and that's just not enough energy. So that's my plan tonight, is to be a good dog owner by making sure they get some kind of exercise. But first, I gotta go pick up Tariana from track practice. So here we go.
We travel coast to coast, and when we wake it shows. We get up and get out, and each time I waste the day on your cause, you cannot believe the sounds of the look that is on my face. And if you ever can.
Hi, baby. Is your friend still sick?
Yeah.
We gotta stop and get pizza from the pizza peddler on the way home.
283. That's the one that I was gonna say.
Huh?
That's the one that's sick.
Oh. Hey, I saw you guys out there running the stairs.
Yeah.
That's not easy, is it?
It's not easy going down. Cause
That's the easier part.
no, the easier part is going up, and then like going down, I always feel like I'm gonna fall forward, and then I end up almost doing it.
You know why? Because you're thinking you're gonna
No,
fall
like-
forward, so you almost end up.
No,
if
like,
you think I got
there's
this,
always this one step that makes you like fall kind of forward, because it's like this, like.
but then what you need to
like,
think is, I have
yeah.
great balance. I'm not. Wait, you can't say I'm not gonna fall because the universe just here is gonna fall. So you just have to think, I have great balance. I'm staying up this whole time. Gonna last forever, stiff drink. All she had to do was just to give me that wink. Change it. Has been cleared from your face.
No, you singing was lovely.
Stop mean mugging me. BRB.
Decide, I will take the weight of this.
Love price tag on your clothes. Here's your kitty cats. You guys hungry? There's some wet food. I'm coming, Kiki. You sound kind of stuffed up. The cats are fed now. Come on. Wait, you sit and wait. Good boy, wait. Okay. He says. Ziggy, you're a piggy. Don't worry, Allie. I got some goodies to sprinkle on top of your food. Allie likes it when you take the remnants of the cat food can and put water in it and sprinkle it on her dry food. These dogs are spoiled.
Yeah, I'll take it and I'll bury it. Now 4 years down and 2 more left to go. My time is running slow. I'll live once I can. And once I do, I'll fly to the east.
Hey guys, so Heather has to go deal with a family situation, so she won't be in today's vlog. Tariana is showering, because after track practice, that's just what you do. And by the time we eat dinner and she does all of her chores, there's just not a whole lot to vlog tonight. So I am saying good day, good night, good afternoon, depending on when you're watching this. And until tomorrow, I'll leave you with this. Peace. Allie, you're not done running, are ya?
I will